Hello, everyone. I am your BSIS Firearms instructor, Mr. Martin with Public Safety Institute. And today I'm going to show you how to register for the BSIS assessment test, the personality, the psych test, what some people like to call it. So let's dive right into it, okay? Let me share my screen first. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go online. Go to candidate.psiexams.com. And the page looks just like this, okay? The first thing you need to do is to create an account, okay? Some of you already have an account. Just click on returning users and sign in, or reset your password. So you're going to click create an account, enter your official email, your official name, create a password, must be 8 to 32 characters long. Choose something simple you're going to remember, okay? Choose a security question and then click submit. Okay. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the page. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. So once we create an account, it's going to take you to the home page. Okay. You're going to go to my task, and we're going to register for a test. Okay. Look for to register for a test. You see that on the right column, and click on register for a test. Okay, the next drop-down menu is going to be select organization. Drop-down menu is going to be a government state licensing agency. Select jurisdiction, click on the drop-down menu, and we are in California. Click California, select an account. You're going to go ahead and go to all CA, DCA, BSIS firearms exams. Okay, again, make sure you go to BSIS firearms exams. Right, it's going to be another disclaimer in red. All BSIS candidates, click here to schedule a BSIS examinations. Okay, so click on the red lettering. It's going to take you to a test takers page for the Department of Consumer Affairs BSIS. And the page looks like this. It has program info, has test, the online test for the assessment, FAQs. It has test instructions. Okay. So what we're concerned, we want to do the available test, right? So let's view all available tests. So it's going to give you the BSIS firearms assessment. Okay, so it's going to be an on-site test center. Go ahead and click that. And it's going to go ahead and give you an option here. The fee of $65 to retake it, a fee of $65, just, a candidate bulletin you could download. I'm just showing you so you know what it looks like, the fee policy. Okay. Now, some of you might be logged in already to the test takers page here. Okay. To continue the booking process and schedule your test, you must log in or create an account. Okay. Some of you, it might give you an option not to do this or do this, but if it does give you an option to log in and register, go ahead and click on that. Okay. So it says login. So go ahead and type in the user ID and password that you created for the PSI exams. So it's invalid. Okay, so it's good to know if that means I have to create an account. So let's create an account. So now if it gives you this option, some of you doesn't let you go through this because you don't have a guard card. So this is very important that you must have your guard card approved in order to move forward. Okay, so I'm just going to put a generic one. Enter your official name again. And again, I recommend to use the same password you used to create your PSI exam test. Okay. Now it's going to give you an option to get text messaging. I recommend doing it about your test, okay? And no marketing info. Right. So ensure you have your guard card number. Again, you cannot move forward without your guard card number. In order to take the PSI assessment test online to register, just wait for your guard card to get approved. Okay. Some of you might get lucky and they will not ask you for your guard card number. So, you know, that's something that could happen. I've seen it happen before. So confirm everything's correct and create your account. Okay. Registration success. Thank you for registering. Your account was successfully created. Log in. Okay. Now, says security. You're pre-approved. You're eligible to take this exam. Okay. So continue booking. Again, enter your date of birth here. Already had it pre-filled out from another example that I did. Make sure everything's correct and then press next. It's going to take you to the next page where you could choose the location to go to. Okay, so I recommend enter your zip code and do 10 miles. It'll be easier, and put find. Actually, I'm going to put more so you can see more options. Okay, and then click find, and it gave me all the nearest locations by distance. So the nearest one for my office is 6.4 miles. Santa Fe Springs gives you the address. So I'm going to choose that location because it's closer to me, right? Once I do that, it's going to take me to the booking page. Okay. It's going to give me the map location of the test center. It's going to give me the address one more time and the calendar of available dates. The circle around the date means they're available. Okay. So yeah, there are a lot of options. So let's do next week on the 9th when I'm not busy. And it gives you the available times for that date. All right, I'm going to choose Monday. Again, in the morning, I'm going to choose the 7th, choose the 24th, the 22nd, more options, right? So you could definitely choose what's best for you. Okay, so I want to get this done as soon as possible. So let's do Thursday. I'm a morning person, so let's do 9 a.m. I selected March the 9th, 9 a.m. Okay, so let's press next. And the next page is going to go ahead and start charging me the test price of $65. Okay, enter your billing address. Okay, make sure you enter everything correctly. You're going to press continue after the billing address. And it's going to give you, again, a summary to review your booking. Make sure everything's correct, your date of birth, your social is correct, your address. Make sure you take notes of the date and time and location. Click by the here in order to purchase your the $65 exam. Well, everything's correct, and just click purchase. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing my screen. And as you can see, it is a pretty easy process. Again, I want to say thank you for watching my tutorial channel. Feel free to pause it and review it anytime you need. Again, if you do have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I will definitely get back to you as soon as I can. Again, thank you for watching my channel. This is your BSIS Firearms Instructor, Mr. Martin with Public Safety Institute.